Did you know that airlines and booking websites can track your search history and raise the prices accordingly? In this video, we're going to share with you the top 10 travel hacks that will help you save money, time, and hassle on your next trip. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a first-time traveler, these tips will come in handy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. So, let's get started. To avoid airlines and booking websites tracking your search history, use private browsing mode or clear your cookies before booking your flights. If you're a frequent traveler, make the most of your airline miles and credit card points to save money on flights, hotels, and rental cars. To avoid baggage fees, pack only the essentials and use packing cubes, compression bags, and travel-sized toiletries to maximize your luggage space. Instead of paying hefty roaming charges, get a local SIM card or use Wi-Fi calling to stay connected with your friends and family back home. Before you arrive at your destination, research the local transportation options and choose the most convenient and affordable one, such as buses, trains, or shared taxis. To avoid long lines and sold-out tickets, book your tours and activities in advance and take advantage of early bird discounts. To stay hydrated on the go, bring an empty water bottle and refill it at the airport, hotel, or public fountains. To navigate your way around a foreign country, download offline maps and translation apps that work without an internet connection. To save money and avoid crowds, travel during the shoulder season or off-peak months and avoid major holidays. Lastly, be flexible and open-minded during your travels. Embrace the unexpected, try new things, and don't stress over minor inconveniences. So, there you have it, our top 10 travel hacks that will make your next trip smoother, more enjoyable, and more affordable. Do you have any other travel hacks to share? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travel!